In this exercise, we can see a text with some missing words. These missing words are in this box. What we must do is complete the text with the correct words written in the correct form. But attention, there are two words which we don't need to use. We're going to read it just like it is, and then we are going to read it complete, and then we are going to show these two words which we don't need to use. Where does our food come from? Nowadays, you can buy tropical fruit like lychees and mangoes all over the world. Many recipes give useful on how to prepare and serve it. However, imported is much more expensive than locally grown food due to the high cost of air. Now scientists are carrying out to see if they can genetically modify tropical fruit so that it can grow in cooler. They have already made towards achieving this, but some think that genetically modified food could be dangerous to our. Where does our food come from? Nowadays, you can buy tropical fruit like lychees and mangoes all over the world. Many recipe books give useful information on how to prepare and serve it. However, imported product is much more expensive than locally grown food due to the high cost of air transport. Now scientists are carrying out research to see if they can genetically modify tropical fruit so that it can grow in cooler climates. They have already made progress towards achieving this, but some experts think that genetically modified food could be dangerous to our health. As you can see, the only two words we didn't need to use were traffic and produce. The rest of them are okay, and you must check if you wrote them in the correct form. In this final exercise, we are going to guess each word shown by these definitions. So we will read the definition and then we will guess the word and we will write it in a secret way with a particular order we're going to write them. And you say, hey, why are you writing these words in this particular order? Well, it's something we'll discover further. Some of these sentences are complete and some of them are not. And that's what we must guess. Number 1. This is the process of preparing food using heat. Number 2. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are good sources of C. Number 3. Some people are to the chemicals in our environment. Number 4. This is the natural environment where an animal or a plant lives. Number 5. You should chew your food thoroughly before you. Number 6. Foods that are in cholesterol are bad for the heart. Number 7. Milk and cheese are examples of products. Number 8. The main of them are fruit and sugar. Number 9. Insects are a highly source of food. Number 10. As a result of medical, many diseases are now curable. Number 11. This vegetable is used to make chips and crisps. Number 12. If you want to work in the industry, you have to be ready to put in very long hours. Let's go on with the answers. Number 1. This is the process of preparing food using heat. The answer is cooking, so we will put it up here. Number 2. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are good sources of vitamin C. So we will write vitamin just down here, cooking, in this order. Number 3. Some people are allergic to the chemicals in our environment, and we will write allergic in this position. Number 4. This is the natural environment where an animal or a plant lives. The answer to this is habitat. Number 5. You should chew your food thoroughly before you swallow. Number 6. Foods that are high in cholesterol are bad for the heart. Number 7. Milk and cheese are examples of dairy products. Number 8. The main ingredients of jam are fruit and sugar. Number 9. Insects are a highly nutritious source of food. Number 10. As a result of medical advances, many diseases are now curable. Number 11. This vegetable is used to make chips and crisps. The answer to this is potato. Number 12. If you want to work in the catering industry, you have to be ready to put in very long hours. As you can see, all these words written in this particular order make another word related to health and nutrition. If you can see it, it's written vertically. Could you guess it? I will give you a clue. This is found in bread, pasta, and rice. It gives you energy. Do you know which is it? The answer to this is carbohydrates. If you can see, it's written vertically, all the letters and match, making this word. It was a little bit difficult for me at the beginning. You have to watch it carefully and with lots of attention. This was all for today. Don't forget to hit like to this video, comment it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and hit to that bell, please. Go and tell everybody of this, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.